So, hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about resumes and clear up some common mistakes. So, did you know that big companies get about around 50,000 resumes every week? So, let's make sure that your stand out and your resume becomes something which is brighter and highlighted CV. Okay, so let's understand how to make your resume. So making a resume is actually an important skill and you need to learn that. Instead of getting the resume drafting outsourced, I would suggest you go for making your resume yourself because you know yourself better. Okay, your resume is like an advertisement for yourself. So don't just copy a template from a friend or from a relative, because your resume should show who you are and what you can bring to the table. Now coming to choosing the right template. So when you pick a template, should it be a colored one or a black and white? Should it look modern or traditional? So there are so many templates. So we need to decide the one which is apt for your position or for your role. So it depends upon your job, it how it should look like. Should it look like a modern one or a traditional? Because creative jobs like digital marketing might need some color, okay, but serious jobs usually prefer simple styles. Now coming to the third part, which is resume versus CV. So let me clear you that there is a difference between resume and a CV. So resume is a short and shows your best experiences, while CV is a longer one and have more details. Now coming to another segment, another topic here, subtopic, which is photo on your resume. So I see a lot of photographs on the resume, and there is a confusion: should we put the photo on our resume or not? So in India, it's usually optional. So if you choose to add a photo, make sure it looks professional. But my recommendation should be is that actually that don't put your photograph unless and until your profile, your role requires that. Okay, now coming to the fifth part, which is the length of your resume. So I get a very lengthy resumes, 3 pages, 4 pages. It should be 1 page. It's 1 page is good for people with less experience, or maximum 2 pages if you have more experience, because we need to keep it relevant, we need to keep it short and to the point. Now, coming to the sixth part, which is interesting resume stats. So, I have very interesting resume facts, which is in India, around 60% of the job seekers don't change their resume for each job. So, don't be one of them. Change your resume to match the job description. This helps you get noticed. Okay, now coming to the file format for the submission. So when you send your resume, should you use a PDF one or a doc format? PDFs are better because they keep your layout the same on all the devices. Okay. Now coming to naming your resume. Why are we talking so minute details about your resume? Because that is the document we are going to send all across. The recruiters and the hiring managers will see that, and within 6 7 seconds they are going to make the decision. So naming is also very important part. So how should you name your resume? Keep it simple and professional. You can use your name, then underscore the job title, and then underscore you can also mention the number of years of experience you have, and then resume. So it's easy to find. Okay, now coming to the keyword matching. Now let's talk about the keyword which is also very important, because the words in your resume should match the job description, then only it will be a perfect match. And should you force a match? I mean, if you don't have any skills, if you don't have the right skills, be honest, right? So you should be honest on showing your skills. If you don't meet like the job description or the job requirements 100%, it's better not to apply. In fact, if you meet 80%, then I say I'll still recommend you to apply, but it's below 80%, don't apply. It's total waste of time. Okay, so then These are the things we need to focus here. And if you are ready to become a job magnet, let's chat. Let's, if you comment below with your questions on about the resumes, and I will be happy to answer. And stay with me because I have more tips to help you create a great resume. Okay, so remember, your resume is the first thing people see about you, so make it great. And all the best, and thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share for more helpful tips.